Hi, welcome back to Bytes Route. In this video, I will show you how to install the Bytes Route script using Google Tag Manager. Using Google Tag Manager makes adding HTML or JavaScript snippets to your website easier. It only takes a few minutes to connect to Bytes Route. As I mentioned, you need to install the script only once for every domain. You can find the Bytes Route script on the dashboard page. Let's see how the installation process works. To add the Bytes Route code to Google Tag Manager, log in to your Google Tag Manager account and select the appropriate container for your site. Go to New Tag and click on Add a new tag. Then open Tag Configuration and choose Custom HTML from the Custom section. Paste the Bytes Route code snippet you copied from the dashboard. Now open Triggering and select All Pages and click on the Save button. To finish the process and publish this change, click on the Submit button. Choose a version name. And then click on Publish. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any further questions, reach out to us at support@bytesroute.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Bye bye!